Hey there everyone, welcome back to Surrey's Worst Drivers. So this all happened when I was leaving work one night. All these incidents, so check it out. So first incident, this guy here doesn't even realize that he has his first lane to turn in. And he clearly cuts over into my lane. Luckily I wasn't there or he would have completely rammed me. I've already been in an accident previously due to this situation. And this guy going super slow. If I didn't slam on my brakes, I would have slammed into him. And then also on the side here, I don't know what happened, if it was a stabbing or an overdose, but something was going down. Something's always going down in Surrey. And look at this guy on the left, running the red. And he had an end too. Check this out. He clearly didn't have to go, but everybody in Surrey is in a rush. So yeah. Next clip here, same intersection. I thought this was funny. The two cops are waiting, then they actually turn their lights and their sirens on just so they could get through the intersection. I don't know if they had somewhere to go to or not, but then they turned them off. So that was kind of funny. Then this bus driver doesn't even stop, and not only that, runs right up on top of the curb. Yeah, don't know why he is in such a rush. It's crazy. Here it is again in slow motion, and it kind of zoomed in here so you can actually see him ride up on the curb. If you were riding in the back there, you totally would have been like, whoa, what's going on here? Nice ad for Schwalb's ginger ale. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, crazy bus drivers too. Gotta watch out for them in Surrey. I was just basically showing you guys here. I don't know if you guys noticed anything there in particular. Basically, if you look on the right side, there's gonna be a girl right there. I don't know why she was walking on the side of the road and not on the sidewalk, but then people wonder why they get hit. And she's wearing all black. So all of those incidents happened in one night of leaving my work. So you guys know what to do. Give this video a like, comment down below, and please subscribe for more dash cam videos and other great videos as well. And I hope you guys enjoyed. Thanks for watching another great episode of Surrey's Worst Drivers.